wasn't supposed to be possible. A truck built to do more with less and deliver more performance more efficiently. But when great minds come together, the right pieces fit into place. The new International S13 Integrated. The most advanced, most unstoppable powertrain on the market. Now powering the industry's hardest working truck. Purpose-built with a more eco-friendly mean streak. Next-level truck and body integration at the flip of a switch. And power takeoff options to crush productivity. We engineered it in the belief that less is more. Less weight in your powertrain is more payload. Less complexity means a more reliable truck. Less time burning off soot is more time for work. Progress is a heavy load to bear, but we just lightened it. The International S13 Integrated Powertrain, now powering the HX Series truck. Shift what's possible.